Welcome to this section, JPA and Hibernate in 10 steps. In this section, we want to get introduced to JPA and Hibernate. We will build a simple JPA application using the modern Spring Boot approach. We will use a hands-on approach to learn JPA and Hibernate. We will start with understanding the world before JPA. We will talk about JDBC and Spring JDBC. After that, we will understand why JPA, why Hibernate, what is the difference between JPA and Hibernate. And we'll also understand how Spring Boot makes it very easy to use JPA with Spring Boot Data JPA. Now, what is the approach that we would be using in this specific section? First, we'll create a Spring Boot project using H2 as the in-memory database. After that, we will create a course table in H2 database. Once we have the table ready, we would start using Spring JDBC to play with the data in the course table. Once we understand Spring JDBC, we will use JPA and Hibernate to do the same things and understand how JPA and Hibernate are different. And at the end, we will be using Spring Data JPA. So we will be taking a step-by-step approach to learn JPA, Hibernate, and Spring Data JPA in this specific section. Are you excited to learn JPA, Hibernate, and Spring Data JPA? Let's get started.